Hello, today's July 18th, 2021, and I just wanted to go over a few stocks that you can buy during the dip. You know, after this last week, you know, all major stocks took a hit in the stock market, and it's a great time to buy. You know, if you want to buy in right now, you can make a nice profit, you know, as they go back up this coming week. I mean, some of the main stocks I have on my list is, number one is Apple. I mean, Apple's currently trading at $145.92 a share. Apple, you know, has started to move up in price slightly in the past 3 months. Apple is up 9.3% in the past 3 months. I think it's up 12% in the past month alone, though. So there's good reason to believe that it's going to, you know, it could continue to go higher. I believe it goes high as 160 to 175 before the summer ends. Also, it dropped 1.73% on Friday, so you know you should easily be able to make a couple percent just if you want to day trade it Monday. And it's a safe stock to invest in. I mean, you can't go wrong with Apple. Number two is NVDIA. It's probably my favorite stock, just for the simple reason went from, you know, it's currently trading at $724 a share. It was down, you know, 4.25% Friday, but this stock should rebound in no time. I mean, NVIDIA is always a stock on my watch list just because it's up 77% in the past year alone. And to me, NVIDIA is $1,000 stock. So NVIDIA is a consistent winner, and if there's anything you want to, if there's any stocks you want to put money into, it's NVIDIA, because it's the fundamentals are sound. You know, the CEO is, you know, if you look at all the things you look for in a winning company, NVIDIA has it. The number three stock on my list is GM. It's up 104.71% in the past year, and is currently trading at $55.25 a share. GM's dropped 10% this past month, so it's trading at a decent price and should make a nice comeback here in the next week or so. The number 4 stock I have on my watch list is Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX. It's currently trading at $77.67 a share, and Roblox went as high as $103.87. You know, in the past. You know, I mean, it's a new stock. It's not been around but for a couple months, and you know, personally, I believe as popular as it is, it should make a nice gain this week. I mean, it was down 10.68% this past week, so it has plenty of room to make a nice profit this coming week if you want to invest in RBLX. Also, there's a couple other stocks that I invest in that, you know, if you're into dividend investing, anytime Altria, ticker symbol MO, falls below $47, I buy into it. I believe that, with a dividend of over, 7%, you can't go wrong. Plus you can make, plus the stock, Altria trades somewhere between $46 and $50 a share. So right now it's on the lower end. So it's a stock you should definitely consider. Consider buying if you're a dividend investor. Two stocks that I believe in shorting. One's AMC. It's at $39 a share, and it got as high as $56, but it's been falling back down slowly. If you watch my earlier YouTube videos, I was behind it. I was the one trying to push it when it was at $2.85. It's basically went up because of Wall Street bets. It had a lot of investors behind it, and they were able to take the stock all the way up from $2.85. I think it got as high as around $20 a share, and then I think that was just the first week when it took off, and now it's starting to come back down. And I believe that if you see AMC going down in price in the pre-market, that's a decent time to short it. And then as far as Tesla goes, Tesla is a very popular stock, and I believe that if you buy it in the pre-market, if you buy early, you can sell around 7 to 7.15 and make 1 or 2% profit, because there's so many Tesla bulls out there. And you can just because of its name, you're going to be able to make 1 or 2% very easily. But I believe that it's going to come back down to around $600 a share here in the near future, before it eventually makes a comeback and goes up to around 700 or so. 700 or 800 a share, probably by the end of this year. If you just look at the numbers, NEO's a better company to buy into. It's at $42 a share, but it's the Chinese version of Tesla. I think it was trading around $50 a share earlier this month, but it's down to $42. So if you're looking to invest into a clean energy stock, I would go with NEO or Blink or Plug. Any of those, I'd watch those personally. Tesla, I believe, just on it. Personally, it's very volatile, and it could go, like I said, one day it's up to 650, the next day it's back down to 600. Just with the slightest news, even with good news, there's so much expectations with Tesla that I personally would stay out of it. But that's me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit, and it's helped you any, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Also, in the comments below, I'll leave a referral link from Webull where you can get a couple free stocks, and just for opening a brokerage account. That should be at least $20 or more, and I got two shares of AMC from Webull. So that right there was over $100. And you can't go wrong with free stocks. And Weeble's also the only brokerage that will allow you to day trade between 4 and 7. All other brokerages make you wait until 7 o'clock Eastern before you can even buy a stock. So I hope everyone has a very profitable week this week. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And also, my number 1 stock to buy this week is SAVA, ticker symbol SAVA. I wanted to get that in. I just about forgot. It took a major hit this week, but it's trading $81 a share. I personally believe that stock's going to go to $120 a share by the end of August. So, you know, SAVA's on sale. It's up over 2,000% this year alone. So, if you're looking for a stock for the long term, that's a great buy. You know, because SAVA Sciences is probably my number 1 pick. All right, well, have a great week. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer them the best I can. Thanks.